Hey ninjas, today we are going to see how to make object not affected by Light Blender. I have this two objects in the scene. Switch to Render tab and make sure you are in Cycles. Now add a point light, increase its strength. Somewhere around this, change color to, according to you, here I can see. Both objects are affected by the point light. I want to cast light on monkey only. So let's fix this, select monkey and press EM. Make new collection. Name it light only. For cube, make new collection. Name it no light. Select the point light. Go to object properties, light linking. Select light only collection. Now it will cast light on monkey, but there are few reflection I can see it on cube. For that, go here, light paths. Change total value to 0, so it will reduce the reflections to 0. Using same method, you can add multiple lights while not affecting each other's object. So this is how you guys can make object not affected by light in Blender. Thanks for watching ninjas. Keep improving.